Hey everyone, just doing a little product review. Okay, this is my first day of drinking this tea, and it comes I'll show you the little tea leaves right there, or tea flowers. This is what you call butterfly pea blue flower tea right here, and there's so many benefits to this, and it tastes so good. So you just put 3 of those little leaves, and I put mine in this big, huge water. So I've already drank several of it. But you put a little bit of honey in it and some lemon juice. And you could either put like pineapple juice or water. You can have it hot or cold. I'm drinking it cold. My water was cold when I put it in there. And you could actually use this twice. So you make one whole thing of it, glass of it, drink it all up, pour another one in there, and then it does it. I mean, you use it twice, and then after you get through, they said it's so organic that you could probably eat this. But I haven't done that yet. But it does really taste good. The benefits of this is supposed to be, let me see here, if I can read off the benefits here. As you can see, it's supposed to lower blood pressure, help with cholesterol, diabetes health, eye health, female health, kidney health, so many more to mention. But this video is not sponsored, but I thought you would like to know about this product, and I will give another update as I continue using this product, drinking it as tea. And please stay tuned. This is not a sponsored, but I will put in the link in the description below, or where you can find it at. But I'm going to keep y'all updated on this one because I need some good eye health on this. And it says completely organic, high quality. So, yes, I'm going to do another update on this product review here. So keep posted on my updates. Okay, thank you.